Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for joining us. Today we want to prepare a dikaikon soup. Okay, don't be surprised to see me in the kitchen today. The purpose of me standing here now, I'm not the one to cook it. So, but let me just introduce you to our ingredients. So these are our ingredients, our vegetable, our fish. So here, this is stockfish, this is herrings, dry fish, some catfish. Then we are supposed to use some goat meat, but this is just the goat meat we have. It's not enough, and is unfortunately the goat meat we bought yesterday. That want to use it to prepare this has some issues. So that is why I'm here in this time of the video here. So the goat meat is not good. Okay, it's not fresh. I did not observe it while I was buying. I was actually doing something based that is my customer. I was expecting them to give me fresh meat, but it's like it's not fresh at all. Just yesterday, the moment I got home from the market, it's not up to 10-15 minutes. I personally put the goat meat in the freezer, and it has been in the freezer. It's not as if there is no light. This is not Nigeria, this is Ghana. There's light. It's not as if there's no light. The freezer has been on. So just this afternoon that my wife wanted to cook, so we want to prepare things, and we noticed that it is smelling. It's not okay. So that is why it's not here. So because of the flies, we just kept it somewhere. I'm going to show you. So the reason I'm doing this video is just to let people know. Okay, most times when the things we want to eat take time, most especially when you are buying, because it's just God that will save us. I'm not expecting that somebody will sell a meat. I don't know whether it's dead meat or so, but it's not yesterday meat. It's not even like 2 days meat. It's not even like 3 days for the goat meat to be smelling. So beautiful people, let me go and show you the goat meat. So today we are just going to manage what we have. The goat meat we have, this you can see is just the leg. It's not so much. So the one we bought that we are supposed to use is the one that is having this issue. So with that being said, let me show you the goat meat, the one we bought yesterday. It's not up to 24 hours. It's only God that will save us. So you can see, this is where you can see some flies that are even around. This is the goat meat, the one we bought just yesterday. So I realized that this is not what we can eat. Anyone that is eating this one, it will not be long before the person we pass on. Manuela, go back. It's smelling. You can see the goat meat. This is the liver. The liver that used to be very, it has changed. It has changed. Look at this. Even as I'm talking to you, Seth, it's smelling. It's smelling. Manuela, go back. It's smelling. The smell is not something. It shows that it's not something that is fresh. You can see this is the liver. It has changed color. Just 24 hours we bought it, because the way it's smelling, it's like a meat that has decayed for like 3 days. So beautiful people, due to safety reasons, it is better we lose money than spending this goat meat. In Ghana it costs 60 Ghana cedis for 1 kg, which in Nigeria is almost like 6,000 naira. So it is better we lose 6,000 naira than spending too much money in the hospital. So you can see how instantly the flies have gathered here. So let me just put it back. We are going to throw it away. You cannot eat this.
It's not good.
It's not good. So I'm going to throw it away after the video. So no. So beautiful people, as you could see, that is the goat meat. It's not good at all. It's unacceptable. And my advice is, whenever you are buying something in the market, because yesterday I realized that I was on call while they were processing it, so I wasn't focusing on that part. So maybe that is where I saw fresh meat. I don't understand why they gave me that one, but whatever the reasons, is for my own safety and for the safety of my family to let that one go. At least that is about close to, like, it's not up to $10, so let the $10 go. So this is why sometimes it's good we always process meat. I've done a lot of videos where we buy live goats and we prepare it, you know. And the last one we did was we roasted it. So many times, it's not every time someone will have that time to be processing. We just needed some goat meat to prepare some food, and even too much of meat is not even good. So this is why sometimes we use fish. We use fish, you know, some dry fish to prepare food. Because meat, if someone eats this kind of meat within 2 days, automatically this is cancer. These are the things that causes cancer, automatic. And this reminds me of the young boy that went to go and eat vulture that passed away. Because vulture usually eat what has died. So if vulture feed on dead animals and you went to go and eat vulture, it's most likely, if you don't have cancer instantly, is death. So this is why we are throwing that one. So we are not adding it with this. So we are going to prepare this our idikaikong just like this. So if you are buying food, most especially anything that will go into your stomach, please, even though a president of a nation is calling you, please tell that person, hold on, look at what they are processing. Is very, very important. Because yesterday I was receiving an important call, so I just felt that, oh, is my customer, but sometimes most people that sell these things, they don't care, they just need money. So, and if you are not being careful, if you go and eat something like this, it's sickness. So it's better to avoid. Prevention is better than cure. So thank you for watching. Please, let's stay safe. Food is very important. If you can process your food by yourself, please do. It will save you a lot of cash by avoiding hospital. So at least we'll manage what we have here. So beautiful people, this is why it's also a little bit dangerous for someone to be eating outside. Because if, like, a lot of people who sells food that doesn't have the fear of God, that are after their money, they will use this meat the way it is. They will cook it. When they cook it, they know it's not good. They are not the one to eat it. So anybody that eats it, like in Nigeria they will say you're on your own, or you're. So that is how it is. So sometimes it's good if you can process your food yourself. Because people who sell things, I'm not saying it's everybody, but I'm just saying for those who does not have the fear of God, because somebody will look at it that my money cannot waste. I've already bought it. I have to sell it to make my own money. So a lot of people will not consider that one. They will just process it, use it to prepare soup, and people will eat. And when you eat such, after some time you start having stomach problems. Not even just stomach problems, health challenges, serious health challenges, because a lot of sicknesses and diseases these days does not have a name. Somebody will just go to hospital, doctor will say they have searched all around, they can't find anything, but yet the person is not getting fine. So please, beautiful people, let's stay safe. Please shine your eye very well when you are buying tea, because that's the mistake I did. It is the same place I always buy me, but some people will not consider that one. They need money. I know that the economic situation is not flamboyant in a lot of people's side, but a lot of people are just after money. They don't just care, provided they have their money. So we are going to abandon that one and use what is safe to prepare food. So beautiful people, like, share, comment, turn up the post notification bell so that whenever we post an interesting videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Then please, let's meet at the comment section what you people think about the meat I just showed you. I'll put up there's a particular video we did even before this one, when we actually discovered that the meat is not good. I just used my phone to record it, that one I will put it by the corner so that you will see, because this one it is not good at all. So beautiful people, drop at the comment section what you think about meat like this. Shall we continue to be buying such, or shall we continue to, whatever you think, please drop in the comment section. And if you have any suggestion, please, they are welcome. Any suggestion, they are welcome, because a meat like this is not even good for living. You understand? We are not vultures. It is vulture that eat food like this. So even the lion eat fresh meat, but this one, my hand no dey there. So please subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.
See, Jesus Christ.
The meat they smell. Something we just put inside freezer.
Yesterday no be yesterday we buy it. See, why are they selling this one?
This meat no fresh.
It's not good. It's not good at all. See now, this is I just, as I carry and come outside, change like this. As I wash it, it change the color. The color change, and the smell is not good at all. See as they change. If you eat this one now,
na problem.
See the heat tester. I wash it. I open, I do it.
The meat no fresh, and as I come back from market,
come out.
Now inside freezer. Now yesterday we buy am. You understand?
And the fridge is ice.
It get ice.
It's not good.
I'm doing the video.
Abeg, next time make una no dey sell this one for us again.
Remove all those intestines.
Àwọn eléyìí gan mi ò trust wọn o. I no trust this meat.